Bitcoin can seem complicated if you are trying to understand the concept behind the entire idea of online currency transactions. However, things may appear difficult only if you do not know what to look for and what it takes for Bitcoin transactions that may not feature in most other conventional ones. If you are having problems trying to understand the whole concept, do not worry, here are some of the basics. As much as the whole idea of Bitcoin is based on online transactions, it can be viewed from a physical transaction perspective for a better understanding. Look at it this way: you are sharing something with someone, this could be money, fruit, books, you name them. Then, it is only the two of you. You do not need to involve another person to witness it, nor do you have any concerns over the authentication of the transfer of ownership. The state of property shifts permanently from one person to the other, and the second owner can further transfer the ownership to yet a third owner. Well, Bitcoin operates similarly. The only difference is that in most cases, Bitcoin operates on digital money. Now, here is where several issues come up. Unlike exchange in real life, the digital one can come with its fair share of challenges. One of these is determining how the exchange of ownership can be confirmed and whether or not the previous owner had shared it with someone else or in public. This raises the concern of double spending, which has been a challenge yet to be solved. Bitcoin involves a simple process that does not have to be complicated. Despite people finding it difficult to understand, looking at it this way makes things easier and clear. There are many ways in which someone can trade Bitcoins and make money. Each of the following ways enables the users to earn. Accept them as a means of payment. If you run any kind of business, whether wholesale or retail, earn through accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment. There are various steps in which you can register to earn from Bitcoin. First, register for an online Bitcoin wallet from Coinbase. Second, display a QR based on My Wallet section to allow you to add or receive funds. Lastly, include the Bitcoin Accepted Here logo in your online business. Complete tasks online. Most websites offer free Bitcoins from people visiting their sites. Once you get to their sites, before earning the free Bitcoins you will get to see adverts or a music clip. Still, there are sites where you complete analytical tasks while on others free Bitcoins as an additional gift on some kind of purchase made. Earn from interest on payments. If you already have some Bitcoins you can earn through lending them out and earning interest. Still, you should be careful to whom you are lending to avoid losses. Bitcoin mining. Mining refers to the process where Bitcoins are generated. During mining, each new transaction is recorded in a blockchain where the old and new searches are stored. Mining hardware is expensive, having most creators to join a mining pool. Here, you do not need to earn your new mining area. Earn Bitcoins from getting tipped. Earning through tips is similar to earning while one is receiving payments. Open a Bitcoin wallet, a QR code with your Bitcoin address on it. People potential to tip you need to know your Bitcoin address. One can be tipped through their online shop or a blog. Since there is no substantial amount of tipped Bitcoins, a QR code is sufficient for knowing what transaction took place on a specific day. Earn through trading. Arbitrage trading is a way in which various traders can earn money. A trader spots an opportunity for purchasing an item in one location and selling it on another location at a higher price. Bitworld trading comes with its set of difficulties. It is not easy to find trading opportunities. Yet sometimes when the opportunities are available they are not open to everyone. Traders need to keenly look into each opportunity. Earn Bitcoins as a regular income. Just like other forms of monetary payments, if your organization allows you can be paid by Bitcoins. Still, there are only a few organizations that can accept payment through Bitcoins. Freelancing is one way in which someone can be paid through Bitcoins. Jobs for Bitcoin on Reddit are a good platform for freelancers to work on. Earn through gambling, not suitable for all. Despite the cons of gambling, there are many Bitcoin gambling sites where someone can earn money through gambling. The 8 listed methods are a sure way of earning through Bitcoins. Some methods are simple while others call for skillful users to succeed. Since the introduction of digital currency, bitcoins have become popular. There has been an emergence of ways through which someone earns money with bitcoins. Bitcoin mining. Despite the Bitcoin mining tools requiring a lot of energy to run, still, there is an advantage of creating bitcoins. The profit margins for single Bitcoin earners is not very high, therefore mining pools where many people mine bitcoins is a cost-efficient tool. Faucets. For people who do not mind getting involved in small tasks, various websites reward people on solving CAPTCHAs through awarding bitcoins. Faucets do require a lengthy amount of time to get a substantial amount. Mobile games. Mobile games such as O-Crop reward players by bitcoins. Players get to remove evil plants in the crop. Players get reimbursements upon watching advertised videos. Some games like multiplayer PvP players earn through referrals. Read books. Here is another way of earning through performing a given task. Paidbooks.com is a site where a variety of books are available and users earn through reading books. The sites pay higher bitcoins than faucets. Earn through watching short videos. There are various sites such as Vidibit where all someone needs is a Bitcoin account or a Zappo account. A few minutes after watching the video, a payment is issued. Vidibit is a single site that offers instant payment. It provides numerous videos and different channels where anyone can watch and get paid daily. Earn bitcoins as a regular income. Just like other currencies are used in making payments, bitcoins can be used. If it is acceptable in your workplace, you can get bitcoins paycheck. Apart from working in an enterprise, anyone can get paid through working online on freelance sites such as Bitcoin's Vacancy. Freelancing will allow anyone to work from home. Play dice. Sites like Free Dice enable one to play dice with the minimal balance in their account. A user having a considerable amount of time can turn the small amount into a huge amount through playing dice. Earn through online trading. Despite the fear of hackers stealing funds, there are many sites where anyone can trade bitcoins with other digital currencies and earn income. That person just needs to have basic speculation skills to determine when the rates are high and sell the bitcoins. Earn as payment or getting tipped. Earn bitcoins through accepting them as a form of payment and getting tipped by customers. All you need is a wallet and a QR code with your bitcoins register. Bitcoins act as a means of exchange in an online shop as well as tips from blog pages. Programs. Several programs enable the users to earn bitcoins. For example, TryBTC take users through the process of wallets, addresses, transactions and gives free bitcoins to users. Anyone can earn money using one or more of the listed strategies. However, the amount of income generated from each method may vary. The process of buying and selling bitcoins differ. The selling may not be as easy as buying. Not to worry yet, you can sell your bitcoins several ways. Among the things you need to consider is the ideal method for you. This comes with two major options, whereby you can cash out your currency online or in person. It goes without mention that each of the options has its upsides and shortcomings that you need to understand beforehand. Looking at each of them will make the task easier when it comes to deciding the best option to go for in your transaction. Selling online. This is the most popular way of selling bitcoins, and it features three primary methods. Using direct trades. This can be done through several websites that offer this service. These include US-based Coinbase and local bitcoins. In the UK, you can use Bitbargain and Biddylicious. Here, you can register as a seller and post your sell offer. You will be notified when buyers who want to trade with you are available, so you can communicate with them and complete the transaction via the website. Exchange trades. This option involves registering with an online exchange and verifying your identity. However, the best part of exchange trades is that there is little involvement in running the deal. In this case, you only place an order, more like you do with the buy order. You include the type of currency you are selling, the amount and the price for each unit. If someone comes with a purchase order, the trade will be completed automatically, and you receive the currency into your account. However, if you are selling bitcoins for fiat currencies, you may face issues of liquidity and bank as well, which may result in waiting for a considerable amount of time to receive the amount. Peer-to-peer trading marketplaces. Sites like Purse and Broker are known to offer these services conveniently. These sites merge people with related needs. Groups include people who want to use bitcoins to make purchases on sites that do not support the use of digital currencies, and those seeking to buy bitcoins using credit or debit cards. As such, these people can exchange bitcoins and discounted goods for one another. The downside involved in the use of online transaction are that this type usually calls for identity verification, which is not as strict for buyers, but more demanding for the sellers. The other concern is the issue of withdrawal of funds, which may be a bit complicated, and take longer than necessary in some cases. Selling in person. This option can be a bit easier and can be done by scanning the QR code on someone else's phone and receiving the cash. You can as well send bitcoins to a friend or family and directly receive the money. This necessitates considering issues like price agreement and safety. Safety comes first, especially when a significant amount of money is involved. You can meet in public or bring someone along. Bitcoin success has brought in many aspects in which digital money can change the world. It changes the way we bank and conduct transactions. Also, it has changed the perspective in which we view the world. Each person earns money through transactions and sells. Likewise, bitcoins can be earned as a form of payments, exchanging currencies and mining bitcoins. Earned and purchased bitcoins are securely put in Bitcoin wallets, which are an online secure Bitcoin storage. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded in the Bitcoin network, blockchain, which authenticates each transaction. Not all traders have accepted bitcoins as a form of payment. Its valuation is speculative. Bitcoin usage in illegal trade such as drugs and gambling makes people doubt it. Availability of cheaper options such as the dollar in trading, place bitcoins in a less favorite position. Cryptocurrencies have become a global phenomenon known by most people. Governments, banks, and many companies are becoming aware of its importance despite its geeks. Still many fail to understand the basic concepts on cryptocurrencies.